the wonderful girls. We're just chilling, relaxing now. Some more seating here. Super busy in there. Barbecue party, 175k net available there. Ocean grill here. Horse and carts here as well. Different drinks on the menu and things there. Hard rock, work hard, happy hour. Big groups, pancakes, also food and things available from here. There's the Pronto Italian pizza. Wow. Good evening from Bali, Indonesia. So it's 7:45, I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali, and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a street walking tour along a section of the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta. So the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta is basically a street that runs all the way along the back of Kuta Beach here in the Kuta area of Bali. My starting point for tonight's video is going to be the main gate entrance to Beachwalk shopping mall. I'm going to take you inside the shopping mall first of all and pick up some of the restaurants and coffee shops inside there, and then I'm going to gradually walk along the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta to the main gate entrance to Kuta Beach. As I'm walking along the street, I'm going to take in all of the hotel accommodation options, all of the restaurants, all of the shops, and just give you a general idea of what you can expect from this street here in the Kuta area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and get started and take a street stroll here in Kuta. Okay, so here's the start point for tonight's video. This is the main entrance to Beachwalk shopping mall here. A few people lingering outside. We have entrances to Kuta Beach across the street. We're going to head up into the Beachwalk shopping mall to start the video and head and show you the restaurants. So you've got to walk up through the entrance here. Just going to have to shut the camera off while we get past security from a security check. Okay, it's just to come into Beachwalk, you have a security check there. I've just passed through because I have a bum bag, so I had to stop the camera for pull and bear. This is heading into Beachwalk shopping mall. And this funky little animal here, playing with the kids there. I'm going to head in this direction. So this is a place called Sardinia. Live acoustic every night. Different drinks on the menu and things there. This is Cafe Sardinia. Quite busy here. Some tourists. Busy inside as well. Big groups, families here. It's very busy inside the restaurant as well. Let's just take you and show you inside. Super full inside the restaurant there. Wow. Just heading back out now. So next we have Arabica. Nice little seating areas here at Arabica. Very busy inside as well. Let's see if we can go inside through the door here. People just sat here as well. And they're just sat relaxing here. I'm going to take you inside Arabica as well. Queuing up. Super nice in here as well. Some more seating here. All along there. It's a counter area. Okay, just coming back out of Arabica now. Just next door we have Starbucks coffee shop. Another busy place here. Some tourists mixing with Indonesian. Some kids screaming. There's the name Starbucks. There's some people sat here by the window. No need to go into Starbucks. You can see the seating area there. Not quite as busy as Arabica. Quite busy out here. Sat chilling, relaxing. Group of Indonesian here. The logo, Starbucks, Villa Capri here. This is like the kitchen area. There's a seating area here. And we have Western tourists out here. Just in with Indonesian pasta. We have Sushi Hero here. People are actually sitting down, queuing up to wait for seating in there. Super busy inside of there. We'll go along the side and show you here. Busy outside here as well. The table's full outside. We're just going to go inside the gate entrance and just take you along Sushi Hero. You see it's super busy in there. So busy. There's a gate entrance to the mall. Okay, just carrying on from Sushi Hero now. We're coming to the end of this restaurant and coffee shop collection. There's a look back. And now we have Zara. Still tourists walking along. There's the Jalan Pantai Kuta down below. Kuta Beach across the street. So this is another gate entrance to Beachwalk. Another security check here. There's the doorway entrance to Zara. And the Uniglow just in the back there also. And we're just going to head down here now onto Jalan Pantai Kuta. Okay, exiting now out onto Jalan Pantai Kuta. So you can see it's a very busy street with traffic, this one. And the taxis here beeping as they go along the street. Tourists, Indonesian walking along the street. So just to the to my left here now we have the Sheraton Hotel. Just turn back and give you a look at that so we're not following these people all through the video. Sheraton Bali Kuta Resort. Some of the rooms are up above there. Kuta Beach gate entrance is all along. Some of the horse and carts across the street as well there. Here we have Slushy Island, I think this is called. Hello, good evening. There's the wonderful girls here at the Slushy Island. Just to the left of Slushy Island we have Poppy's Lane 2, this one. Tourist goods shops running alongside the street there. Tour booking, tourist information service there. Used to have the name on it, Slushy Island, but I can't see it now. It's called Slushy Island. Oh, it's there, Slushy Island. Just up above there. We have an Alpha Mart here. I'm getting beeped at because I'm stood in the middle of the road. So this is a convenience store. I also have seating if you want to get coffee and snacks and sit overlooking the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta. There's a horse and carts across the street there. Very busy on the street. Next, coming up on the left hand side we have Viva Rosso, or Rosso Vivo, sorry. Some of the little things available there. Ocean Grill, linguine lobster. Some busy in here. Music playing as well. People just chilling, relaxing there. Nice. Golden hour. Wow. So it's Rosso Vivo. We'll just show you the name here. Live music up there. Just sat chilling, eating, drinking. Wonderful place this. A bit more privacy here from cameras because of the bushes in the way. You can see over the top there. AFL 2025. Just next door we have the Kuta Sea View. boutique resort. It's just in the back there. Next we have flapjacks. We do have parking as well if you want to park your motorbike across there. 2,000 it usually is. They may try and charge you more, but the price is 2,000. House of homemade desserts, flapjacks, coffee, frappe, mocktail, some waffles, big man, pancakes, also foods as well, main dishes, burger and fries, pasta, all day breakfast, lots of things available there. Now just have a look at your seating area, just take you and show you the seating area here at Flapjacks. A beautiful seating area by the roadside here. There is more seating inside. I'm not going to go inside the restaurant. Okay, just continuing on from Flapjacks there, so they've got lots of drinks and desserts and things. Remember the name, Flapjacks. Have a mini mart convenience store here. Again, more seating areas if you want your snacks and drinks. Just give you some idea of what they do here. People have these and just sit at the front here. Also have some chicken dishes as well, like KFC. It's an Indonesian version. A little tour information, tour booking service just in the back there. Just next door we have another convenience store, Indomaret. This is my personal favourite convenience store here in Indonesia. Have a little ice cream place just next door. Just take you up and show you the Indomaret. Again, another seating area here. There's a coffee shop inside there, so you can sit in these areas here. Just from our Indomaret we have a little ice cream place just next door. Some of the different things available from here. Drinks also. Another Alpha Mart next door here. Just a little seating area in that one. Tourist information, tour booking service here. Two Western tourists just booking something there. There's some cart coming along the street now. And then just here, this is the street of Poppies Lane 1. Poppies Lane 1 down there. Can't see him, it's a little bit dark there. They have the Kuta Beach Hotel here. They also have a rooftop bar here at the Kuta Beach. And we can see that with the camera now, Kuta Beach. It's a hotel, and plus they usually have someone standing at this here, advising you to go upstairs for drinks. Kuta Kita Spa as well in the back there. Barbecue party, 175k net a person. 7 rooftop, happy hours, buy 3 get 1 free on the beers as well. Circle K, Pronto Italian pizza up there. Let's just go and take a look at this one. I've seen inside here before. There's the Pronto Italian pizza. Wow. Nice. So just from Pronto Pizza, a little seating area there at just at the back of Kuta Beach. A few Indonesians sat over there. Okay, I've just crossed to the other side of the street just so you can take a look at this area here. So it's like a plateau area just at the back of Kuta Beach. Some sweet corn just there. And then here's the Kuta Beach Heritage Hotel. Fabulous hotel this. I've featured it in a video, so I'll have the link in the description for you. We're going to cut back across the street now. We're Circle K by the side of the Kuta Beach Heritage. We have Clara Spa, Kirana Spa and Massage. I presume they're down that side street there. Hello. Having the Starbucks coffee shop here. I'd go to the one at Beachwalk shopping mall rather than this one. There's a seating area outside. Seating at the front. Just take you to the doorway entrance just to give you a look inside. There's not actually anybody inside. We'll just give you a look anyway. There's inside the Starbucks coffee shop. And just from my Starbucks there, just coming out of a Starbucks. We have the Mercure Hotel Kuta Beach just next door. We have a Gelato Maximo just next door to the Starbucks, a fabulous ice cream that. Here's the Mercure Hotel Kuta Beach. I've featured this hotel in a video. She'll have the link in the description. Nice, another nice hotel. You wouldn't expect anything less from a Mercure though. Next we have a Pizza Hut. Revamp the sign here. Free Wi-Fi outdoor area. Some customers sat at the front here. Sat inside. There is an inside seating area as well. I'm not going to go inside the restaurant here. Let's see. People just sat overlooking the street there. Let's continue walking along now. So just next door here now we have the Hard Rock Hotel. Main entrance to the Hard Rock Hotel. Just walking down the street. Okay, so there's the Hard Rock Hotel main entrance, and then just down from that we have the Hard Rock Cafe. Upstairs, up above there's live music being played. Horse and carts here as well. I'm going to cut back across onto the other side of the street, see if we can find any information on the Hard Rock Cafe. So there's the main entrance. Happy hour at the Hard Rock, work hard, happy hour. Free shuttle to the Bali collection, Nusa Dua. Have the rock shop here. Some stuff inside of there. Get 50% off. There's the Hard Rock Bali guitar. Of the beer cycle here. Okay, so just from our Hard Rock cafe there now we have the water money changer. I think this is a legitimate authorised money changer, this one. The rates seem to be same as what they should be today. It's night time, so they're a little bit down. And then we'll just walk here, and now we're coming to the main gate entrance to Kuta Beach. So there it is across the street now there. You can see the statues as well up on the platforms. There's a main gate entrance to Kuta Beach. There's no point going onto the beach now because it's in darkness. And then this is a continuation of the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta leading up to Jalan Raya Legian. Okay, so that concludes this evening's video. My night stroll here in Kuta along a section of the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta. So my starting point there was at the main gate entrance to Beachwalk shopping mall. Took you inside the shopping mall, picked up some of the restaurants and coffee shops inside of the shopping mall itself there, and come back out onto the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta, taking in all of the hotel accommodation options, some more restaurants as well on the street, some more coffee shops on the street, a few little shops also. All in all, this is just a really popular area here in the Kuta area of Bali. So on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this evening's video. Hope some of you find this video useful, and if you're staying in the Kuta area of Bali, then I highly recommend that you pay Beachwalk shopping mall a visit, street of Jalan Pantai Kuta and Kuta Beach itself, and I shall say bye for now.